It will still continue. I am still trying my best, though I hope you like it.